Hi, it's Rie. I'm going to show you some of my favorite Japanese recipe to make during summertime. June is Japan's rainy season. It's not a pleasant time, but the rain brings out Japan's natural beauty, especially in plants like trees and flowers. One particularly loved flower in Japan is the hydrangea, and they are beautiful during this season. A hydrangea's color depends on the pH level of soil, so if the soil is acidic, petals turn blue. If the soil is neutral or basic, they tend to have pink or red color. We used red cabbage as natural food dye. Red cabbage also acts similarly to hydrangeas. When you simmer with water, the water turns purple, but if you add lemon, it turns pink. I made a color-changing cocktail video before using the same trick. Some people were worried that it would taste like cabbage, but we are using such a small amount that it won't affect the flavor. The Tasty Japan team made a traditional Japanese confectionery, or as we call them, wagashi. Wagashi designs reflect the seasons, so this hydrangea design is perfect for the early summer. Wagashi is usually served with tea. It pairs well with bitter matcha. If you join a tea ceremony, you will recognize wagashi's designs differ from season to season. The purpose of the tea ceremony is not only to enjoy tea and wagashi, but also enjoy the changes of season. On July 7th, Japan celebrates Tanabata, a star festival, and it's based on an old folktale. This folktale's main characters are two lovers, Orihime, the princess who weaves the clouds, and Hikoboshi, a celestial cowherd. According to the folktale, they are separated by the Milky Way, and they can only meet once in a year, which is July 7th. At this festival, we write down a wish on rectangular paper and tie it with a string to a bamboo tree. The folktale and celebration originated as a Chinese folktale. They also celebrate July 7th in China, but according to my Chinese coworker Jin, they celebrate a little bit differently nowadays. It's more like Valentine's Day in China, so couples exchange gifts on July 7th. I've also heard that it's celebrated across Asia, so leave a note in the comments about how you celebrate. In Japan, traditionally we eat somen noodles to celebrate Tanabata, but Milky Way inspired or star-shaped foods are a very popular way to celebrate this day. For this video, the Tasty Japan team made no-bake cheesecake with blue agar jelly. They also used silver sprinkles, so it looks like stars floating in the Milky Way. My coworker Alvin made this video when we went to Japan a couple years ago. Tonkatsu or fried pork is a popular topping for curry. We eat curry all year around, but for me, Japanese curry reminds me of summer in Japan. I think it's because we go camping every summer and we make curry during our camping trip. Curry is a staple camping food in Japan, as well as a quick and easy meal to cook when you don't have a lot of time. Curry's main ingredients are onion, potato, carrot, and meat. Curry roux cubes are sold at any grocery store in Japan. We normally use these blocks, so don't worry, you aren't missing out by not making it from scratch. You can easily find it at an Asian grocery store in the States. The taste is sweeter and not too spicy than Indian curry. It's a different experience, so definitely try it for an easy weekday meal. Hiyashi chuka is chilled noodles usually topped with a thinly sliced egg omelette, cucumber, ham, and tomato. It's a summer staple noodle dish and can only be found during the summer. You know that summer is around the corner when ramen shops begin to hang banners and posters to let customers know that hiyashi chuka is finally available. When the weather is too hot, you'll tend to lose your appetite, but hiyashi chuka is a perfect dish for that. It's light and cold, and this sweet tangy sauce will stimulate your appetite. The most popular style is soy sauce and vinegar-based sauce. But there is another popular style with a sesame-based sauce. It's creamier than the soy sauce-based sauce, but both are very popular summer dishes. Summer in Japan is very humid, but there are lots of food that you can only find during summer, like this hiyashi chuka. It gets really hot during summertime in Japan and here in LA, but wherever you are, I hope you will try these recipes and have a delicious and refreshing summer.
Oh, yes!